Alright people, so as you know here, the dancehall artist, female artist Shenseea has met in an accident earlier this morning, and right now she have some little minor injuries. We're under some nursery in there, is it? Yo, what that a trend? Oh, the trend the dancehall. Walk on people, so back with another video. Please consider subscribing all new viewers and click the notification bell if you don't miss out. So the picture here circulate the internet with a BMW that belongs to the artist Shenseea, you see it? And if you look good, you see the air balloon and thing in it, guys. So besides that happening and thing, nobody no see Shenseea in the car. Nobody no see her injured. Nobody no see her. Nobody no see with them own two eye, you get me people? So we don't really know what really go on, you see me? So we can't say she crashed, we don't know if it's true, but we are working with the information where the manager left off and the media and other people seemingly to be at the said spot when the incident take place. So if you watch the first video, you can get fully informed about how she crashed and where she crashed and what happened, is it? But I just want to say she good in other video likewise.
You know that, man? Shout out Jamaica, man. Much love to y'all people, man. You already know that. Shout my boy, Left Side. You already know that.
Yeah.
We got him on the album. You know that.
Big man thing, a 6ix9ine that a while ago, and where him just say bless up Jamaica. You see me and them man, they popular, super pop star settings, is it? So him a big up Left Side. This is Left Side. Known for enough look for good music, same way, you see me, some remix too. So 6ix9ine remix him song and give him a forward said way, cause it confirms say him get it right.
Shake it fat, punani nani, fat punani nani, that tsunami nami, that tsunami nami, fat.
Big artist, man, we can go on and on about him right now, you see me, but I want him get free up and things still. I'll drop collab with Nicky, drop a song 2 months ago with the 500 million views. Single too, you see me, so you know the style. And talking about international artists and things, guys, we're gonna talk about Drake and how he might try to style about every little ways him I get them a try do this thing for, you know, make Popcaan look good, which him not that great. So these was words directly from Drake. Some boy love chat about Yardman and some other F3, and all know them can't catch up to the 876 God. Go all I want great. No, go all I want seat and a box juice and Usher mode, Ovo and Rolly. And right they say can know say they said local beef for him and Mavado have really make him say that, you see me. But the God no respond to him as yet. And me knowing Mavado that's so happen, you see me. And right now I know God not drop no more diss track for him, is it? Cause God just did save him ready, but internet war him a deal with lyrical buckle. Them money I deal with that a Mavado. If it's not lyrical, it's physical, is it? Die trying, but him will never be a yard man. Said so the God say, is it? And guess what? We are just go and watch and see the prayer, you see me, cause we want the support, them want the support, cause we don't give them a strength, same way international wise. I will listen to music too, you see me, so if I pre-ments do between our Jamaican artists, I don't put nobody over our artists, you see me? So Popcaan right now a fuel every little thing him get. Yeah man, people like them man make your own culture and certain things look away, cause you go fight against your own with some other man and you go make a thing look away. In a sense, you see me, so I'll see them can do them thing, them have them money still, but man like me they are what you are going. And I can show you right from wrong. You see me? But at the end, this enjoy.